XRP price prediction. XRP's status in the market has had its fair share of troubles as a result of Ripple's ongoing lawsuit with the SEC. However, there has been increased activity between Ripple and Coinbase that could impact the coin's standing in the market. According to Whale Alert, Ripple and Coinbase have made numerous transfers. The number of transferred coins was over 235 million, which was equivalent to 108 million worth of XRP. In other news, RMIT University released a special report about cryptocurrencies for the professional accounting body CPA Australia, in which they reported that Ripple and XRP enjoy the trust of many banks as a model of central bank digital currencies. Technically, in the last week, XRP had a low volume down move, bringing the price of XRP to 0.44 cents from 0.48 top, where it was at the beginning of the week. The price action suggests to us that this is a consolidation and the next move should be an up move. Potential target for this move is the resistance area at 0.64 cents, and there we will see if it breaks to the upside or it's going to make one more down. However, one possibility is to continue to the downside without making an up, reaching the support area of 0.35 cents per XRP. So trade with care. So here we have an update to the EW scenario I posted 2 days ago. I believe that wave 2 of C of B has been completed as it has done a plausible ABC and has tested 50% of wave 1. Targets for wave 3 will be the resistance red bar. I don't see it going above the 1.886 wave 1 as that would project a very high wave 5. Since the pattern is an ABC within a larger ABC, the target for B still remains to be circle 54C. So here is the XRP update. XRP rejects further upside, support at $0.445, 1.8% Fibonacci retracement level to provide additional support. Today's Ripple price prediction is bearish as the market rejects further upside around $0.046 and the 50-period moving average. Therefore, we are likely to see bearish price action overnight as the market prepares to set a higher local high to establish base for a medium-term reversal. So what are the price prediction? XRP anticipates a 28% move if key technical pattern confirms. Ripple is dancing at the apex of a symmetrical triangle. The 50 SMA protects XRP's immediate downside on the 4-hour chart. The MACD indicators suggest that bulls are in control. The symmetrical triangle could lead to a massive breakdown if the lower trend line breaks. Ripple is trading between two critical levels while sustaining the price at $0.45. The upswing in Bitcoin price on Saturday had minimal impact on XRP. Meanwhile, the cross-border tokens consolidation is most likely to culminate in a significant upswing if a symmetrical triangle breakout comes into the picture. Ripple looks towards significant liftoff to $0.6. The international remittance token is trading at $0.45 while squeezed between two key levels, the 50 simple moving average, resistance and the 100 SMA. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we can say a breakout is anticipated above the symmetrical triangle. The pattern forms in a relatively consolidating market and hints at either a breakdown or a breakout. A breakout occurs when the price crosses above the upper trend line. On the other hand, a breakdown comes into play when the price slices through the lower trend line. As long as the 50 SMA support stays in place, Ripple will be primed for a 28% upswing on breaking past the descending trend line. The moving average convergence divergence MACD also hints at the trend flipping bullish in the near term. A MACD cross above the signal and by extension the midline would be a huge bullish signal. So if we look at the other side of the fence, we can say that Ripple will entertain losses if the 100 SMA immediate support breaks. Note that the triangle pattern can also result in a colossal breakdown measured from the pattern's highest to lowest points. On the downside, support is anticipated at $0.4 and $0.35 respectively. The XRP USD price moved in a range of $0.4355 to $0.4647 with a 24 trading volume of 3.3 billion, which is down by 1.84% over the previous 24 hours period. Market cap stands at 20.7 billion, ranking XRP in 7th place among other coins by market cap. So what is the conclusion? Report price prediction for today is bearish as the price structure of XRP USD over the past hours indicates rejection for further upside. We are likely to see a bearish pin bar formed on the current 4-hour candle, signaling traders to push the market lower again. Therefore, I would say the best option for now is to wait for further price action development. Keep in mind that the information provided is not trading advice. I hold no liability for any investment made based on the information provided on this video. We strongly recommend independent research and consultation with a qualified professional before making any investment decision. Theta price analysis. Theta gears up for another rally as $10 beckons. Theta has just broken above an ascending channel's middle boundary resistance, restarting the uptrend. The uptrend is supported by improving technical levels based on the MACD. Resistance at $8 may either stop or delay the upswing and perhaps lead to an increase in selling orders. Theta has been persistent in the push for new record highs despite the massive upswing since the beginning of the year. A recently achieved all-time high of $8 marked a temporary halt to the uptrend. A correction came into the picture with Theta testing support at $6.2. At the time of this video, Theta trades at $7.55 after overcoming the technical pattern's resistance. Theta's technical breakout high is upswing to $10. The price is trading within the confines of an ascending parallel channel. Following the support at $6.2, Theta bulls have been focused on stepping above the hurdle at $8. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency is trading above the channel's middle boundary resistance. On the upside, eyes are glued on the hurdle at $8, which, if broken, will pave the way for gains past $10. The moving average convergence divergence MACD has flipped bearish but is currently giving out a bullish impulse. The MACD line, which is shown as blue, is likely to cross above the signal line, further cementing the bull's presence in the market. The same 4-hour chart reveals that the super trend indicator is still positive. In other words, the Theta's rally is intact and new all-time highs are possible in the coming sessions. The super trend indicator identifies an asset general trend and suggests when to take a long or short position. So if we look at the other side of the fence, we can say that it's worth mentioning that Theta will fail to carry on with that uptrend to $8 and $10 respectively if the ascending parallel channel's midline support shatters. The MACD also has to confirm the bullish outlook to reinforce the uptrend. You should keep in mind that if the indicator resumes the previous downward movement, we can expect Theta to fall appreciably. So it looks like Theta is gearing up to release another huge spike. Looking back at the graph, Theta has built up quite a lot of unreleased energy and will release it in short bursts, cooling off now and then. Theta has had an absolutely phenomenal run so far. From bottom to top, basically did a 150x, which is very impressive. So this is just an idea, don't take it to heart, just a thought. Do your own calculation and take your own risk. Thank you everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more technical analysis. Thank you everyone.